and welcome back to Today We Craft. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really cute Easter carrot treat bags. For this project you're going to need 2 pieces of green fabric 5 inches by 5 inches and 2 pieces of orange fabric 5 inches by 6 inches. Take one of your orange pieces and fold it in half right sides together. Measure 1 inch down from the open edge. Place your ruler between these 2 points and use scissors or a roller cutter to cut along this line. Just a reminder that a full list of all the materials used in this project will be in the description below. Repeat this with your second piece of orange fabric so you have 2 triangles. Take one of your green pieces and place it right sides together on one of the orange pieces. Sew along the top edge, leaving a 1/3 of an inch seam allowance. Fold open the seam and using an iron, press it flat. Repeat these steps with the other 2 pieces of fabric. Place the 2 pieces together with right sides facing. We're going to be sewing all the way down one side and up the other, but we're not going to be sewing along this top seam. Sew all the way around the edge, leaving the top open, again leaving a 1/3 of an inch seam allowance. When you get to the corners, make sure that you leave the machine needle down, turn the fabric, drop the sewing foot, and then continue sewing. Fold over the top like so. Trim off the bottom corner, making sure that you don't accidentally cut your stitching. Turn the whole thing the right way round. Now we're going to be sewing the 2 channels for our drawstring ribbon. Carefully slide the opening of the fabric into your machine. Start sewing the first channel using the edge of the fabric as your guide. Do this very gently, a little bit at a time. Once you've completed the first channel, lift the sewing foot, pull the fabric over by 1/2 inch and drop the sewing foot again. Continue sewing to create the second part of the channel. We're going to need to create an opening at these side seams. The best thing to use for this is a seam ripping tool, but I can't actually find mine at the moment, so I'm using a crafter's scalpel. This will leave a little gap that we can thread the ribbon onto. Take a 17-inch piece of ribbon and thread the end onto a safety pin. Insert this into the opening and push it all the way around the channel. The eagle-eyed amongst you might have noticed that I've already done this once, and it may or may not have something to do with the fact that I failed to press record on my camera. Well, we can't be perfect all the time. Tie the 2 ends together and trim off any excess to make it nice and neat. All that's left is to fill your bags with treats. Now, this video isn't sponsored by Cadbury's, but if Cadbury's want to get involved, then I would be totally game for that. I'm also not going to tell you how many bags of mini eggs I actually had to buy in order to complete this video. It was more than 1. Well, thank you very much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. It's completely free, it costs you absolutely nothing, but it really helps to show the channel some appreciation, and it helps to get our videos seen by more crafters. If you'd like to take your support to the next level, you can now give us a super thanks. This is a fantastic way to support the channel further, helping me to create more videos for you. Thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you next time.